In this tutorial, I'll review the Secret Scope camera. Is it worth your money or should you avoid it? Let's find out. The Secret Scope camera is promoted as a compact, high-performance hidden camera for discrete monitoring. It claims to offer HD video, night vision, motion detection, and easy portability for use at home or on the go. Some users say it works well for basic surveillance, and setup is straightforward. However, many reviews highlight issues like short battery life, limited storage compatibility, and misleading marketing claims about resolution and range. There are also concerns about customer support and difficulty returning the product if it doesn't meet expectations. If you're looking for a budget option, it might be worth trying. But manage your expectations and buy from a trusted seller if possible. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative reviews. Thanks for watching.